In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a business in Wave Accounting. Whether you've wrapped up a project, closed a business, or simply want to clean up your account, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. So, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to log into your Wave account. To do this, head over to waveapps.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you should be on the dashboard. This page is your launchpad to accessing all your financial information. But today, our focus is on archiving an unneeded business from your account. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice this is where your current business name is displayed. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll open a drop-down menu that gives you several options to explore. For our task today, you'll want to select Profile Settings. This will lead you into a deeper layer of your account where more personalized settings are housed. In this next section, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You'll find a menu listing, and among those options, click on Businesses. This step is crucial because it lists all the businesses associated with your Wave account. Take a moment here to ensure you're choosing the correct business you intend to archive. Next, simply locate the business that you no longer wish to keep active within your account. It's easy to identify each business since they will be listed with distinct names that you've previously assigned. Find the one you're ready to archive and look for the small pencil icon beside the business name. This pencil icon is an edit tool that grants you access to make changes to this particular business setup. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various options regarding your business details. As you scroll down through the Business Details page, you'll come across the Archive button. Clicking this button will effectively put your business into an archived state. Archiving in Wave means the business is moved out of active status, which is useful for maintaining a clutter-free interface without losing any data you might need to refer to later. It's a great step to keep your accounting environment organized and less confusing. Remember, archiving a business makes it inactive, but it can be restored if needed. So, it's a safe move in case you find yourself requiring access to its financial records again. Once you click Archive, your chosen business will no longer appear in your active list, and this completes the task. And there you have it. You're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully archived a business from your Wave account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore more of our guides or reach out for support. Happy accounting!